Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, SK Car Reviews. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the all-new 2025 Honda Civic. This latest iteration of Honda's legendary sedan is here, packed with fresh styling, improved technology, and enhanced performance. Whether you're a Civic enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable, stylish, and fuel-efficient car, this review will cover everything you need to know. So, let's dive in. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Honda Civic continues its evolution with a sleek and aerodynamic design. Honda has refined its body lines, giving it a sportier yet more sophisticated look. The front grille is now sharper, integrating seamlessly with slimmer LED headlights that enhance visibility while giving the car a futuristic appeal. The side profile features a more sculpted body with a lower stance, making it look more aggressive and stable on the road. The rear end is equally impressive, with redesigned taillights and an optional rear spoiler for a sporty touch. New alloy wheel designs and an exciting palette of fresh colors make the Civic stand out like never before. Moving inside, the 2025 Civic offers a premium cabin experience with top-notch materials and an ergonomic layout. Honda has emphasized comfort and technology, with a new soft-touch dashboard, leather-trimmed seats, and an available panoramic sunroof. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster and an upgraded 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda has also improved sound insulation, making the cabin quieter even at high speeds. The rear seats offer ample legroom, and cargo space is generous for a compact sedan. Small details like ambient lighting, a wireless charging pad, and upgraded climate controls make the Civic's interior feel like it belongs in a higher-end segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Civic offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a refined 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine producing 158 horsepower, while the turbocharged 1.5-liter variant delivers 180 horsepower, ensuring a smooth yet exciting drive. Honda has further enhanced fuel efficiency, with the hybrid model offering over 50 mpg, making it one of the most economical sedans in its class. The CVT transmission remains smooth and responsive, but driving enthusiasts will be happy to know that Honda is still offering a 6-speed manual transmission for the sportier trims. Handling is excellent, with improved suspension tuning providing a balanced ride between comfort and agility. The steering is precise, making city driving and highway cruising equally enjoyable. Safety has always been a strong point for Honda, and the 2025 Civic is no exception. Equipped with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, it includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. A 360-degree camera system is now available on higher trims, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. The improved structural design enhances crash protection, and additional airbags provide more coverage for occupants. Honda has also integrated driver attention monitoring and a new blind spot camera system to increase awareness on the road. What makes the 2025 Honda Civic stand out in the crowded sedan market? First, its blend of sporty design and practicality is unmatched. The fuel efficiency, especially with the hybrid variant, makes it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. Honda's reliability ensures peace of mind, and the interior's premium feel at an affordable price is a major advantage. Additionally, the availability of a manual transmission in a time when most manufacturers are phasing them out makes the Civic a unique offering for driving enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model starts around $25,000, offering excellent value for its features. The mid-level trims with the turbocharged engine and additional tech features go for approximately $28,000 $30,000. The hybrid version is expected to be priced around $30,500, while the fully loaded touring trim, with all the bells and whistles, tops out at about $33,000. Given the reliability, fuel economy, and tech features, the Civic remains a solid investment in this price range. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Civic continues to be a top contender in the compact sedan segment. With its stylish new look, improved technology, fuel-efficient powertrains, and advanced safety features, it remains a well-rounded choice for a wide range of buyers. Whether you're looking for an efficient daily commuter, a tech-savvy ride, or even a sporty sedan with a manual transmission, the Civic has something for everyone. What are your thoughts on the new Honda Civic? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK Car Reviews for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.